Yet another strain of the coronavirus is proving to be just as deadly as the Delta variant. It's called the Lambda variant. Now, what could this mean for Jamaica's health system? Anthony Lugg has that report.
Scientists fear the highly contagious Lambda variant, which emerged in Peru, may be resistant to vaccines. The new strain has been blamed for the country having the highest pandemic death rate in the world. It has since spread to over 30 countries, mostly in Latin America, but at least 8 cases have been recorded in the UK. Here in Jamaica, public health experts have been monitoring the new strain. Professor of Health Peter Figueroa is again urging the population to be vigilant even with the easing of restrictions.
It has spread throughout South America and it is now in the UK. It's going to reach Jamaica as well, just as the Delta variant has spread widely and is in the UK, US. It's been isolated in Barbados, Aruba, Martinique, Guadeloupe. So the Delta variant is already in the Caribbean, and it's only a matter of time. Lambda will also be here also.
The emergence of the new strain comes at a time when the Delta variant is wreaking havoc in other countries. The Health Ministry is currently awaiting the results of close to 400 samples it sent for testing recently. Professor Figueroa is again stressing the need for persons to be fully vaccinated given the emergence of new COVID-19 variants.
The vaccines that we currently have are proven to still to be effective against the variants of concern. They may not be as effective as against the regular coronavirus, but they are effective in preventing severe disease, hospitalizations, and death. So it is very unusual for someone who is fully vaccinated to actually get severe COVID once they're fully vaccinated.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.